4 Best Irobot Vacuum 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 4. Smart Lidar Robot Vacuum Mop Combo. Your home, effortlessly spotless. Our Smart Lidar Robot Vacuum Mop Combo's powerful 5,000 pascals motor deeply cleans pet hair and debris from all surfaces. Its V-shaped brush prevents tangles on all floor types. Enjoy 3-in-1 sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping with adjustable settings. Advanced laser navigation quickly maps for efficient, straight-line cleaning, even in darkness. Customize with no-go zones, virtual walls, and room-specific modes via the intuitive app. With 180-minute runtime, auto-recharge, and resume, it handles large homes seamlessly. It boosts suction on carpets and operates quietly, ensuring a pristine home without disruption. Intelligent cleaning made simple. Number 3. Self-emptying robot vacuum and mop. 60 days hands-free. Imagine truly hands-free cleaning for 2 whole months. The Iton A6 Pro robot vacuum and mop makes it a reality with its 2.5L auto-emptying station, letting you enjoy 60 days of pristine floors without lifting a finger. Its advanced 360 degrees LiDAR mapping intelligently navigates your home, ensuring 70% more cleaning efficiency for a spotless result every time. Experience unparalleled power with 5,000 pascals suction, effortlessly tackling pet hair and deep dirt on any surface. With up to 150 minutes of continuous cleaning, it swiftly recharges 50% faster and resumes exactly where it left off. Customize everything from specific rooms to no-go zones via the intuitive smart app, tailoring your cleaning schedule perfectly. Embrace cleaner floors effortlessly. Number 2. Smart self-emptying robot vacuum and mop. Imagine a perpetually clean home effortlessly. Our smart self-emptying robot vacuum and mop transforms your cleaning routine. Its intelligent self-emptying station means you can forget about dustbins for up to 70 days, offering truly hands-free maintenance. Powered by PreciSense LiDAR navigation, this robot precisely maps your home, allowing you to customize everything from no-go zones to specific cleaning strategies and mopping intensity with its electric mopping system, tackling even tough stains. With a formidable 6,000 pascals hyperforce suction and auto boost, it deep cleans carpets and lifts pet hair with ease. Take charge from anywhere via app or voice control, and reclaim your precious time with an intelligent cleaning partner designed for your modern life. Number 1. Self-emptying robot vacuum and mop. Achieve a spotless home effortlessly with our self-emptying robot vacuum and mop. Its 5,000 pascals cyclone suction and auto carpet boost tackle crumbs to pet hair. It vacuums, sweeps, mops with adjustable water flow for sparkling floors. Laser navigation and smart obstacle avoidance guide it around furniture and stairs. A tangle-free roller brush and 3.5L self-empty station provide 70 days of hands-free cleaning. No daily bin emptying or hair detangling. Control via app, voice, or remote with no-go zones. This slim, quiet, multi-story cleaner covers 2,000 square feet on one charge, saving you precious time. So, that sums up my 4 best iRobot vacuum. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a